Yes.
Sweet, mine too. It's not good to drink, but it is clear, pretty clear.
This one is black, right? Yes.
Well, the reason it looks so dark is because it's pretty deep.
Pretty deep.
Take a look to our right. That ugly hunk of metal, that's the last remaining pulley from our pulley system. There's a motor on the back of that. That was fairly new. They put that in the 1920s. But before that, two guys would hand crank those 1-ton boats back up these rapids. I don't know about you, but I would not want that summer job. I'd look like a gorilla. Now, anybody know this red light road before?
No.
I say we just pretend like we didn't see it. I should let you guys know the first day here on the water.
Yeah.
I've been working in the guest house for half a year. We were low on staff this morning, so we pulled me out here, showed me a YouTube video, gave me a pat on the back, and said I know to go. They said just make sure that everybody, they said it was important that you say your goodbyes. That was it. Oh wait, no, I'm not supposed to say that. Tuck your feet into the seat in front of you. Now, most people think that that's the most dangerous part of the Ausable River. They would be wrong. It's actually right here to our left. There's a counterclockwise whirlpool here, caused from the water rushing out of the rapids so fast, hitting off this wall to our left, not being able to take this sharp right turn so the current splits. That left side creates a whirlpool.